Today I'm going to walk you through on how to fix Instagram feedback required error. Now you could get this error when you try to open up the app of Instagram. This simply does not let you to work your Instagram app and you could be having an issue. Now in order to fix this problem, there are a couple of things that you can try out. The first thing that you can do is, if you're using a Wi-Fi, you can switch from a Wi-Fi to your cellular data or vice versa. You can try to check if that works. If that does not work, you can try using a VPN. So you can download any VPN. For this, we're gonna use Atlas VPN. You can easily find it on the Play Store and the App Store, and you can simply connect it. Once the connection happens, you can try checking if that fixes the issue. If it still does not, that could be causing because there are some kind of bugs in the system. So to clear and remove the bugs, you can update the app. Head over to the Play Store or the App Store and then search for Instagram. Once you do that, you'll be able to see if there is an update right here. You can tap on update and update the app. Now if it still does not fix the problem, the last thing that you can do is try to uninstall the app of Instagram, and once it has been uninstalled, you can reinstall it and try to log into your account. Once you do these couple of steps, you should be able to work your Instagram account without having any issues. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe. That's pretty much it for today, and I'll be back with more.